Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Sigafoos, and I am here to talk to you about a new module that we're starting up, which is a team-taught module taught by myself and other members of the Charity Law and Policy Unit, which is why we're talking about it here on our webpage. The module is entitled Debates in Charity Law. It's an undergraduate module, and it will be a third-year optional module. And the way it's set up is that we're going to start out with 2 weeks of lectures, some of which will be a refresher for those who might perhaps like to have a little bit of a reminder of the topics we covered in charity law, in equity and trust, and it will go considerably beyond that, and it will benefit both the third-year students who have taken equity and trust already and the third-year direct entry students who might be taking equity and trust alongside this module, because they're of course very welcome to join us. After those 2 weeks of introductory lectures, we are going to have a series of seminars which will be structured around controversies or debates in charity law. So some of the topics that we might cover in these debates are must charities advance human rights? Are charities allowed to discriminate? We might talk about some of the public benefit controversies around religion or schools. We might talk about should charities be able to campaign? We might debate whether or not there should be restrictions on what charities can do with money that has been donated to them. Should donors be able to say from beyond the grave what can be done with their funds? We might talk about charities and business. We might talk about terrorist financing. We might talk about differing treatment of an organization internationally speaking. So an organization might be a charity in one jurisdiction but not in another, and what does that lead to for difficulties around the treatment of that entity. And those seminars are going to be structured so that there is an initial presentation by a member of the unit or another expert on the topic to set up the debate. And then in the second hour, students are going to debate the topics amongst themselves. So the content of the module is really going to be built via co-generation with our students. The module will be assessed with both a practical element. Students will work in groups to produce a piece of advice for a hypothetical charity with a problem, a legal problem that needs some advice. And then it will also be assessed via a piece of coursework in a more traditional academic way. So we're very excited about this module, and we hope that you will join us. If you are a student looking at this, you can find out more information on the student intranet. And if you are external to the university, perhaps watching this, this is one of the outputs that was suggested at the International Symposium on Charity Law Teaching and Scholarship earlier this year. And you can find out more information about the potential syllabus for this module on the Charity Law and Policy Unit web pages. Thank you.